So we visit Blue Elephant Company and we visit several machines of woodworking, panel and all these things, and it's very nice to visit for the company about the CNC router, beam saw machine, edge bending machine and all other equipments. Very professional and very accurate machines, and particularly Lora, you visit like each and every machine, you explain very well about the software and the things. So fantastic visit by the way, and we appreciate your time, and this is like a very nice company to work with.